Hello, hello! Welcome back to another plan with me. It is day 3! 3 more days until my grand opening sale for my Etsy shop at Girl Boss Anna, guys. This is my product and I am so proud of it, and I hope that you guys really enjoy these plan with me videos, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you love it, and I'll just keep making them. But you know, I'll keep making them anyway, regardless if you like it or not. So these are the washies that I'm going to be using. They're from, the top two are from Michaels and the bottom one is from Simply Gilded. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention, this is a no Etsy kit plan with me spread. So obviously there's no kit and I'm just using whatever I have. So I've got these silver foiled marble dates. Date covers from Simply Watercolor Co. $2 Tuesday. As you know, I love her $2 Tuesday sales and I used to just go ham on them, but right now I'm trying to save money. Anyways, I felt like using silver foil for this spread, so that's why I went with silver. And here I'm using the Stickie Committee date dots for my date covers. You guys, I always say this, but I really loved how my spread turned out, only because it's kind of different from what I usually do. I usually like more soft neutral colors in my plan with me spreads, but this time around I went with a little more colorful colors, I guess, and played around more with different types of colors. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention that I'm using Webster's pages inserts. They came with my A5 planner. Oh, right. And I'm planning in my A5 rings. You guys, I am so failing at this voiceover right now. So I was just cutting down that washi into a flag, and I used it to decorate the top part of the to-do section for the week. Then I took a silver foil to-do sticker and laid it down there, and also used a planner pressed bow checklist to cut it down and just cut it in half. And then I kind of just turned the to-do sideways because I felt like that looked a lot better. So that's what I did there. And then I grabbed a Fox and Pip sticker. I call this one the another shot sticker because it looks like she needs a break. So that's why I used it to mark workout break for me on that Monday. Then I used a Bubblemon sticker and marked that I needed to get my passport shiz done. I mostly grabbed stickers from this sticker book from Joanne. It's called #stickerbook and it's by Maggie Holmes. And I felt like the colors kind of matched the theme of my washi tapes that I chose, so that's why I chose from that sticker book. Then I took my Simply Gilded tape, made a long flag out of it, and divided my days of the week with them. Like I said, the green and pink washis are from Michaels and the purple one is from Simply Gilded. For some reason I wanted to put this yellow flower on the bottom left corner. I guess it went with the colors in my mind, which it does. And so I just put it there and then went back to working on Monday. So for Monday I was looking for an empty box so I can write film plan with me and then mark down the elements of my plan with me for that day. Okay, and if you have been watching my daily plan with me's for this week, you'll know that I've been using Jax Pepper like no other. So I took another Jax Pepper divider, silver foil divider, and underlaid it, if that's even a word, under that ribbon, and then wrote down the elements of my plan with me for that day. I drew an arrow from the box to my list and I didn't like it, so I whited it out and then I redrew the arrow. Honestly, horizontal planning is not my forte, so I just didn't know what to do next. So I grabbed this flag sticker and then I wanted to mark gym, but it was looking a little blank there, so I took a deco sticker and overlaid the gym sticker on top of it. And then I really wanted to use this Don't Forget sticker from Fox and Pip, so I used it and reminded myself to make an IG post for my grand opening on July 20th. And then I wanted to make a little section for my Plan With Me elements again, so that's what I did. I used a Simply Watercolor Co. I always forget what that thing is called, but I just call it the film sticker. And then I also used a Bubblemonstickersco just to fill in some white space there. And then I wanted to be a little more playful with this Plan With Me spread and make it more decorative, so I grabbed this smile sticker, or these letters that made up the word smile, and then just put it on top. I guess I was trying to go for more of a playful Plan With Me this time around, and it looks really cute. So I took this silver foiled confetti flag. I think I got this from Busy Bee Stickers. I will list down the shops that I used in my description below. But I just wanted to make a note to myself to say get them done, because I knew I was going to be super busy before my grand opening, just trying to tie up loose ends and whatnot. I was trying to think of a creative way to make a list, so I skimmed through the books and I found these hearts in my Choose Happy Planner sticker book, so I used these to just make a mini list for myself. As you can see, there was a lot of skimming through my sticker books because I was trying to find a workout sticker. I don't know where I put my stickers, guys. I lost all my workout stickers. I don't know. But I found this yoga one with a mermaid and I don't remember where I got it from, but I thought it was fitting. Then I used 2 quarter boxes from Rose Shadow Collection to mark down my workouts for that day. And then finally, I get to show you guys my hipster glasses overlay tape. These are exclusively designed by me and they're removable friendly, and I just wanted to show them by themselves this time and not overlaid on top of any sticker or washi or anything like that. Just to show you guys that yes, you can totally use this on white background and it'll still look good. Here I listed the things I needed to do for the week, and they're basically just things I needed to do in preparation for my Etsy grand opening sale. Moving on to Thursday. Sorry, my camera cut off. It's been a reoccurring thing that's happening. I don't know why, but it's just been cutting off, and it's not because like it's going over time or anything. It's weird. But what I did was I used a confetti foil flag from Busy Bee Stickers, overlaid it with a Today sticker from Simply Watercolor Co, and used another checklist sticker from Rose Shadow Collection and just put them all there. And then I used a floral sticker with another flag-ish looking sticker and put them together and overlaid my gem sticker on top of that. And I almost forgot to put my washi down, so this is what I'm doing here, just dividing my days out with these washi tapes. And then I went in and used some half boxes from Rose Shadow collection and just marked that Friday, Saturday, Sunday are the sales, and Friday is going to be 30% off, Saturday is going to be a 20% off, and Sunday is going to be a 10% off sale. And then I just used the Rose Shadow collection checklists to make some to-do lists for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And for each day, I noted that I needed to release the code for Etsy for the discount. Sorry that some of my planning is going to be out of camera pretty soon because I just wasn't paying attention to what was in focus and what wasn't. But all I did was just added some decorative elements, and then I also used my overlay tapes for the bottom portion, which I'm so sad that you can't see it right now. But you'll be able to see it soon when you see the whole overview of my spread. And then to make it even more playful looking, I added the XOXO at the top of the right side of my spread. And that's my spread for today's plan with me, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to check for updates on the grand opening sale and to get your code, and for more updates in the future. And if you enjoyed watching this plan with me, please give me a like so I know that you liked it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.